Here is a look at everything I have purchased for this video. It took a lot, so it would mean a lot if you guys use the links in the description. It will help support the channel as well as get the giveaway started. First things first, we're going to be replacing our old RGB strips by Nexalumi, and we're going to go ahead and add some new Wi-Fi Govee RGB strips that are 65.6 feet and retail for $60. They have DIY scenes, they're safe to use, they have an app, you can control the brightness, they have a control, and you can also set timers for this device. They also have music mode, which is actually really cool. So they fit all the way around my room perfectly, and I actually made an extra design, you'll see in a minute. Next, we're going to go ahead and clean all the boxes underneath our review table, and we're going to go ahead and store it in an even bigger box, which will go in the closet. Next, we're going to go ahead and just clean everything off and move everything away so we can make room for our new boxes and our desk. This is the desk. It retails for $110. It's 51 inches by 51 inches and it's 29.5 inches tall. Everything came accordingly and it was packaged really well. It came in about a month, I believe. It took a while. Shipping was pretty slow, but it is pretty quality for the item. Now it's made out of wood, metal, and it's all black, which is my theme for this video. It's going to be black and red, which is really, really good. So this fits perfectly, and it was really easy to assemble. It took about less than 30 minutes to assemble, which as you can see right here. And I'll leave the dimensions up on the screen so you can see for yourself. After these installation, I put the desk in the left corner of my room, and as you can see, it looks really, really good. It comes with the monitor stand as well, and it is decently sturdy. Next up, to power up all my gadgets, I got this surge protector by Wintem. It retails for $27. It has a 12 outlet, 4 USB port, and a 6-foot cord length. Opening up the box, we have some bubble wrap so it's protected, which is really nice. And overall, this is a really good quality product, and it suits your needs. Now to mount it underneath my desk, I use this Scotch 3M adhesive double-sided mounting tape, which retails for about $4 to $5. The price does fluctuate. But anyways, I put 8 squares on the back of the surge protector and mounted it underneath my desk, which this helps magnificently with cable management. Next up, to light up my desk, I got these NiteBird Wi-Fi RGB strips. These are my personal favorite. They're by GOSUND. I did a review of them. It's a 2-pack, and I'll show you where I put the other one. But this one I put around my desk. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it within the app or your Amazon or Google Assistant. It works flawlessly and it fades in and out, and you have so many other features. What I really like about this is that it's super simple to set up, and it just gives a nice aura effect to anything that you add on it because of that waterproof coating. Now this one did come with two 16.4 foot strips, and it fit perfectly around my desk. I put the other one on the outside of my door, so when I'm recording no one will bother me. I'll put it on red so that way it indicates that. As far as where I make YouTube videos, I put my boom arm, my blue Yeti, as well as my pop socket on the left side of the desk. My blue Yeti did retail for about $130, and the boom arm kit retailed for about $30. I was really unhappy on how the cable ran down the boom arm, so I got some zip ties and tied the cable to the boom arm using them. They retail for about $8, and it worked flawlessly. To help with lighting as well as an overhead shot, I invested in a $30 tripod with a 10-inch ring light, which has several different modes, has a UL certified power adapter, it has 4 different heights up to almost 6 feet. It has obviously a detachable ring light. You can move it 360 degrees. It's a tripod, so you can go ahead and put it anywhere you want, really stable. And as you can see, you guys are really tall. You can use it as a live streaming device on your phone or anything. This is where I put it, and it works out flawlessly, as you can see. By the same brand, CoZoo, I was able to get this 3 USB port headphone hanger, which also has cable management, 3M adhesive included, as well as indicator lights, cable clips, as well as lifetime warranty. This retails for $28, and it is worth every penny because you have 3 USB ports that are 3.0. You have 6 cables, which you can hang up. You also can hang up 2 headphones, and you have cable management already set for you, which is amazing. and it even looks nice. I highly recommend getting it. For $25, I got this UTech Large Extended Soft RGB mouse pad with 14 lighting modes, 2 brightness levels, an anti-slip rubber base. It is easy to clean due to the waterproof rating. Here I am going through all the different modes. As you can see, it looks really, really good. It goes all the way around the RGB mouse pad. I also really think the power button placement is really good because you can just route it through the back, and unlike others, it's on the side. This one's just straight back. Another peripheral I decided to get was the DIERYA DK61E 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. I got the brown switch. It is RGB backlit. It has a PBT keycap. It is waterproof. It has Type-C. It's compact with 61 keys with fully programmable keys. To help with comfort, it has an 8-degree ergonomic design, and it retails for $55. I'll go through the modes. What I really like about this keyboard is that it's so small and compact. You don't even have the number pad at all. So if you're coming down from a bigger size keyboard, it'll be a little bit hard to take used to, but it's super, super satisfying to type on this thing. It's really good for gaming and just overall amazing keyboard. For $30, I got this Corsair Harpoon Pro RGB gaming mouse, which is lightweight, has a 12,000 dpi optical sensor, and retails for $30. You can easily change the DPI settings with the button click, which is located directly under the scroll wheel. Now this is what it looks like with all 3 peripherals. Now, if you wanted to know the cost, if you were to get all 3 of these, it's $110, but it's definitely worth it. For audio, I got the Razer Kraken X. It retails for $50, and the main reasons I got it is because it has 7.1 surround sound, really good comfort, and also a cardioid microphone, which really sounds good. This was my old headset. I had it for almost 3 years, and it just died down on me. This works perfectly with the CoZoo headphone stand, which looks so good together. To protect my carpet from spills, I got this little rug. I don't know the price on it, so we're just gonna move on. I got this snack carousel for $30 by Mindreader, and it looks really good because you have snacks there and it presents them really well. I don't recommend it if you've never had snacks in your room because you will eat those up crazily fast. So this is really easy to set up, looks really nice, and to fill it up, I got 4 options: Welch's Gummies, Airheads, Pop-Tarts, and Goldfish. What I really like about this is that you can change it to whatever you want. You can put as many snacks as you want, and it has a nice presentation overall, so people can grab it. I also invested in a $20 trash can to be able to put the snacks and wrappers into there and have my room just a lot cleaner, which it definitely helps. For $279, I purchased a Sceptre gaming monitor. This is the C30 ultra-wide 30-inch curved gaming monitor. It has a 200 Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium. It has 3 HDMI ports, a DP port, a headphone in port, a DC in. It has a built-in speaker. It has a 2560 by 1080p resolution. It has a 21:9 aspect ratio, an 1800R curvature, a tear-free design, 5 millisecond response time, a bezel-less free design. It has also a sleek metal base, and if you're looking for a perfect monitor, this one's to go for. Since the Echo Dot 4th generation came out, I went ahead and purchased it. I got it for $50, but you can get it for probably cheaper because they have a lot of sales. This will be the brains of the whole operation. It's going to be smart assistant-like, so yeah. Speaking of Amazon, I also have a $50 gift card right here that whoever makes it to this far of the video gets to claim, so first come, first serve. Thank you guys for watching, and continue roast the rest of the video. $179, I was able to get this GTRACING gaming chair. It comes in a black and red color scheme, has a footrest, and it's really easy to assemble. Obviously I did have help because it just makes it a lot faster, and I had a hand do everything, but if I had a drill or anything like that, it would be a lot easier. Definitely really comfortable. For about $12, I was able to get these Anker Powerline red cables. They are braided, they're for fast charging, and they're going to be useful for my phone as well as my Xbox Series X controller. So that's really, really good. A plug and play, and it's really high quality. For about $8 I was able to get this Calyptus screen cleaner. I got this one because it was a lot cheaper than the other brands, and it has really good reviews and it just works flawlessly. It comes with 2 bottles as well as 2 microfiber cloths. You just spray the screen or surface and you go ahead and wipe it with the microfiber cloth included. It leaves no streaks, no residue, and it just looks super clean, and it's also plant-based. For about $22 I was able to get a lot of caffeine because it comes with 4 different flavors. This is GameFuel, it has Tropical Strike, it has Charged Cherry Blast, Charged Berry Blast, and the original Mountain Dew. I like to stay hydrated with a typical water bottle. This is the stainless steel water bottle by Nayad. Here's a little unboxing of that. This is the Roamer bottle. I have the black version available. They also have many different colors available as well, which you can go and check in the link description if you want to do so. Now, as you can see, this one has a brushed aluminum surface. It's stainless steel. It has a double wall insulated. It's BPA free and keeps your hot drinks hot for about 10 hours and your cold drinks cold for about 20 hours. This one is the Marble Metro mug. It retails for less than 20 bucks. All of these are going to be in the description as well as a discount code. It has a nice ergonomic look to it because of the handle. The handle is actually very surprisingly comfortable, and it just looks really good. So even if you don't drink coffee or you don't have a use for these, definitely they're really good at gift ideas if you like to get that for someone if you want. It also has the same thing, BPA free, double wall insulated, and many other things. It comes in 6 colors. They'll have the blue one version available soon. And now into smart home gadgets. We have the WP9 GOSUND Smart outlet. This one, you can download the app. Everything works flawlessly with GOSUND. It's one of my go-tos for smart plugs or smart devices in general. It's also the same brand that makes the strips. So go check those out as well because they are flawless, especially with the app. So you can control different plugs, the USB ports, you can rename them. You could connect it to your Google or Amazon Assistant, and you can even program basically everything in here. It's really, really cool. You can set timers, you can do countdowns. It's really, really cool and just really helpful. You can just make non-smart items smart with this and connect it to your Google or Amazon Assistant, like I said. Now I applied this on the back of my drawer, you can see it, and it is for my main theater system. It has non-RGB Wi-Fi strips, so I made them smart with this. I have my control my TV as well as my speakers, which are now smart due to that, and I can also use USB ports, which also are smart, which is really cool. I can turn them on and off. As you can see, I have my drawers now with the RGB, and I could just press it with the button or just ask my Google Assistant to do so, as you can see. So right now I'm asking the Amazon Assistant to turn off the lights, and it turns off flawlessly. This is life-changing if you need smart products. For about $9 I was able to get this smart extension, which hooks onto your desk. It basically makes room if you don't have room, and it helps with spills because it won't go on your desk. You don't have to have a holder or anything. It just works pretty much as is. It's easy installation. You could put really big cups. It holds up to really big liquids. I have a 24 ounce. I put the water in there. It works flawlessly, as well as all the GameFuel cans. It works really, really well. This was by far one of my favorite purchases because it helps out so much. For about 10 bucks, I got this Letscom wireless charger, and I can fast charge my earbuds, phone, or anything like that. Really, really helpful. Luckily on Black Friday, I was able to get this Shock Blue controller for the Xbox Series X for $45 on Best Buy, which was amazing. I had to have it. It has a new controller design, and it just looks really good. Not many people mentioned it, but it is slightly smaller than the original Xbox One controllers. And it came with 14 days of Xbox Live Game Pass Ultimate, which I did give away. I really love the new dual texture on the bumpers and triggers, as well as the overall controller. It feels really good on the hands. I was able to get the Play and Charge kit also, the new updated one with Type-C for 25 bucks. And I'll be pairing this with the new controller as well. I didn't mention in this video, but I also got the purple Galaxy FPS kontrolfreeks for about 18 bucks on Amazon, and I'll be pairing with this controller as well. And it just works really well. I'll be doing some gameplay in the future in general basically, and you'll see in the future, but an amazing purchase by far. And you can also get a vehicle rechargeable battery station, which I did a review of. If you want to check that out, definitely recommend it. It's my highly recommended purchase. Here is me putting in my new Xbox, as you can see. Actually, no, not new, because of scalpers. Oh, that's interesting. I won't be getting the Xbox Series X just yet because of scalpers, obviously. So probably within next year, I'll make an updated video of basically my gaming setup, but it won't be a building video. So yeah, I also have a 1 terabyte expansion, and I'll probably upgrade that in the future because I'm running low. And like I talked about before, I'm going to be using this as a main charging source. If my plane charge kit dies, I'm going to be using this instead. And to replace my Xbox where it was last and to actually have my TV in use, I was able to get this Fire TV stick for about $30. This is the Fire TV stick Lite. I love Amazon's packaging, really simplistic and clean overall. And here is me setting it up, really simple. And I'm also able to browse YouTube, listen to music, watch Netflix, CW, Disney Plus, NFL, pretty much everything on here. Just complete package in here. I have less power consumption than using an Xbox, and it just, as far as cable management, I'm actually really happy about it because it's actually pretty flush. I could do a little bit better, but it's cable clips, Raceways, and zip ties. The gaming chair that I got, obviously it's a black and red. I didn't feature it most, but it is really cool. You can do it like pretty much 180 degrees. It also has a Bluetooth speaker with the Bluetooth transmitter you can use, and let's cue the montage. If you got the secret code, make sure you comment down below and I'll enter you for bonus entries. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll probably do an updated video with the Xbox Series X.